सत श्री अकाल। आज आप पढ़ेंगे ट्रिग्नोमेट्री बारे। मैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के बेसिक कवर करांगी। इस तो बाद NCERT 10th क्लास ਦੇ 8th ਚੈਪਟਰ ਦੀ एक्सरसाइज 8.1 ਦੇ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करांगे। So let's start. Sorry. So welcome to Guide Master. It is our YouTube channel. Please subscribe that channel. So आज आप पढ़ेंगे trigonometry बारे। Basically trigonometry is the relationship between angles and sides of the triangle. In पंजाबी विच जे मैं तुहानूं दस्सां सिंपल ट्रिग्नोमेट्री विच आपां राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल की गल करांगे। राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल मतलब वो वाली त्रिकोण ट्राइंगल, वो वाली त्रिकोण जिस विच एक कोण 90 डिग्री का होवे। जिवें कि मैं इहनूं ड्रॉ करनी हां। दिस इज राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल A, B, C. B is the right angle. B is the right angle. This is A angle. You can say some theta. We can say it's theta angle. Now we have to understand this right angle triangle. This AC is always hypotenuse. This AC is always hypotenuse, and this is the base. This is perpendicular. And in simple words, we can say here we have to understand this is the angle A, and this is the side BC. This BC side is opposite to this angle A. We can say BC is the opposite side of angle A, and this is AB side, and this is AB side is the adjacent side to A, यानी कि AB side एंगल A ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ BC side जो है वो अपने को एंगल A ਦੇ opposite है, उल्ट है। ठीक है, adjacent side angle A, or simple you can say this is hypotenuse, this is base, this is perpendicular. Now we have to find that 6 trigonometric ratios, that is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios. If you can say this is some angle theta. Okay. Now, yeah, you can say if you are, it's up to you. जेकर तुसीं मंनदे हो कि एंगल A हैगा है, then this angle है. If you consider angle theta, we can consider theta is any angle. कोई भी एंगल हो सकता है theta. Now to remember these trigonometric ratios, तो एक सिंपल सा कोड याद करना पैना है, that is you can say पंडत, बकरी, प्रसाद, हर बोले। Here P is the perpendicular, X is the hypotenuse, B is the base. Simple. This is sin theta, this is cos theta, this is tan theta, and after that there एक उल्ट है गया इन्ना तिन्ना दे opposite of sin theta, यानी cot theta is opposite of tan theta, sec theta is opposite of cos theta, cosecant theta is opposite of sin theta. Here we can write like sin theta is P upon H, cos theta is B upon H, tan theta is P upon B. Now cot theta is उल्ट of tan theta, यानी B upon P, and sec theta is उल्ट of cos theta, यानी H upon P, and cosecant theta is opposite of sin theta, H upon P. By remembering simple this code, you can remember these 6 trigonometric ratios. So you have to remember this. And one more thing, because ਆਪਾਂ 8.1 exercise करनी है. So one thing is that you have to remember Pythagoras theorem. You can say Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. That is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So सिर्फ वाली चीज याद करके you have to remember this and you have to remember this and also basic trigonometric ratios, and we can solve all the questions of exercise 8.1. So just write down that. Now we can do the exercise 8.1. Now this is the 8.1 exercise at NCERT class 10th. So first question is, we got ABC upon right angle triangle review है. Right angle है at B पे, where AB is given 24 centimeter and BC is 7 centimeter. We have to find sin A, cos A, sin C and cos C. So we have to solve this question. Yeah. First we have to draw the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. A, B, C. Right angle that B. अपना B ऊपर 90 degree 90 degree का कोण बना लिया है. And here AB is given 24 centimeter and BC is given 7 centimeter. Done. And first here is asking to calculate sin A, cos A, sin C, cos A. First we have to calculate sin A and cos A. This angle. If we are considering this angle, here listen carefully. If we want to calculate the trigonometric ratios of angle A, you have to, then AB is the base. This is the base. Base के ऊपर ये angle बना हुआ है, and this is perpendicular, and this is always hypotenuse. Simply by using Pythagoras theorem, that is h square is equal to b square plus p square. That is b is the 24 the square plus p is equal to 7 the square. So 24 the square here 576 plus 7 square 49 is from 625, and h comes out under root 625, that is 25. Here h comes 25. So now we have to calculate sin A and cos A. Sin A. Simply you can remember that is okay. पंडर बद्री प्रसाद हर बोले, या बोलो पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर बोले, यानी this is sin, this is cos and this is tan. Sin p upon h. So take p upon h. Where is p? P is the perpendicular, that is BC 7 and hypotenuse h. अपन जो हम कैलकुलेट कितना है गिना है 25. So sin आ गया 7 by 25. Again cos A. Cos A is equal to b upon h. Cos is the b upon h. B upon h. B is the 24 and h is the 25. Sin A cos A की value आ गई. Now we have to calculate sin C and cos C. have to listen carefully. Now we have to calculate the trigonometric ratios with respect to this angle. जेका आप एंगल सी सिंपल फंडा याद रखो, जिस लाइन पर एंगल बनया हुआ है, angle C made of this BC, that means now it become base. This is the base and this is the perpendicular. Simple. Hypotenuse we already calculated. So sin C is again Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole. That is P upon H. Now P is this one, 24, and H is 25. And cos C, that is P upon H. Base is the 7 and hypotenuse is 25. Here all the values of sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C calculate हो गए. Now we calculate the, now we next question solve करेंगे अपन. Next question is, figure is given, figure is like this, then this is Q is the right angle triangle, PQR, and this is given 12 centimeter, this is 13 centimeter. We have to find tan B and cot R. We have to find this. PQR, Q is the 90-degree angle, and PQ is given 12 centimeter and 12 centimeter. PR is the 13 centimeter, and we have to find tan B and cot R. First of all, if it is the 90 degree, so simply we have to, if you right angle triangle, we have to find third side. First of all, we have to find third side by using Pythagoras Theorem. That is Pythagoras Theorem. Pythagoras Theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Here this is PR is the hypotenuse, perpendicular square. This is the perpendicular. We have to calculate base. If this is the 169 is equal to B square is equal to 144, and B square is equal to 149 minus 1, that is 25, and here becomes 5. Yeah. B is equal to 5. Here number 5. This is the base. Now तो कह रहे हो कि हम base कह रहे हैं ना, but I consider the general. But now we have to, if we want to calculate tan P, जनी we are considering this angle. A angle को किधर ऊपर बना हुआ है, PQ ऊपर, यानी हम PQ अपना base लगाएंगे. Here PQ is the base, that is the 12 centimeter, and this become QR. This become perpendicular, and this is 5 centimeter. Hypotenuse is always the same. So tan B, again we have to remember that code. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole. So this is sine, this is cos, and this is the tan P upon B. This is P upon P. P is the 5 centimeter, and where base is the 12, यानी 5 upon 12. Now we have to calculate cot R. Now if considering this angle, this cot R angle is made on this, यानी एक आधार है, इसके ऊपर बना हुआ है. So now base is equal to QR is equal to 5 centimeter for the angle R. अगर आप R angle की trigonometric ratios calculate करते हैं, and this PQ will become perpendicular. PQ is the 12 centimeter. PQ is the 12 centimeter. Now cot R is equal to उल्टा tan. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हाकर बोले P upon P is the tan, B upon P is equal to cot. B upon P is equal to cot. So here B is the 5 and P is the 12. So now we have to minus tan P. Just put the values. It becomes 5 upon 12. Both are the 5 upon 12. Is the cancel out? Answer is the 0. Answer is the 0. So simply just using Pythagoras theorem and this Pandit Bhakti Prasad Harabole, you can solve all the questions. So now we go to the next question. Next question is that here is simple sin A. Here sin A is equal to 3 by 4 is given, and we have to calculate cos A and tan A. This is a simple question. Yeah. Cos A and tan. So simply draw the diagram. Yes. This is A, B, C. Okay. Consider simply one level. Let's consider B is the 90 degree here. Now sin is given 3 by 4. Sorry. So again we are using Pandit, Badri, Prasad, Har, Bole. So this is the sin, this is the cos, and this is the tan. Now sin A is equal to 3 by 4, or again you can say sin A is equal to P upon H. Here you can say P is equal to 3. This is a ratio, so we will consider P is equal to 3K and H is equal to 4K. That P is equal to 3K and H is equal to 4. We have to calculate. This is we have to calculate. Then this is there 4K and this is perpendicular to CK. अगर ਆਪਾਂ ਹੁਣ A एंगल ਨੂੰ कंसीडर कर रहे हैं या A एंगल ਦੀਆਂ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज फाइंड आउट करਨੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਹਨ ਤਾਂ A एंगल ਬਣਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ AB ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ so this is the base, this is the hypotenuse, this is the perpendicular. So by using Pythagoras we will calculate H square is equal to P square plus B square. We have calculated base. B square is equal to जो भी equal to sign तो इधर उधर कोई भी term move करेगी then it becomes minus sign. That is 4k the square minus 3k the square. It becomes 16k square minus 9k square. It becomes 7k square. Yeah, it becomes under root 7k. So here P is equal to any AB again under root 7. Base is the under root 7a. B is equal to under root 7a. So now we have to find cos A, and cos A is equal to B upon H. B is the under root 7 and H is the 4k. K is cancel out, under root 7 upon 4. And again when you calculate tan A is equal to P upon B, and here P is the 3k and B is again under root 7k. K can cancel out, then 3 under root 7. Under 7 by 4 and 3 under root 7. So here comes the values. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. Yeah, next question is the 15 cot A is equal to 8, and we have to find sin A and secant A. 15 cot A is equal to, here you can say cot A is equal to 8 upon 15. Here you can draw the figure. Same. This is A, B, C. A, B, C. This is the right angle at B. B के perpendicular तो कौन बन रहा है? A, B, C. So this is the angle A. Again we can write this is 15 हर बोलते. So cot A, this is sin, cos, tan, and tan the whole cot. Then cot A is equal to B upon P. Then this is 8 upon 15. You can say B is equal to 8K and P is equal to 15K. We have to calculate H. So by using Pythagoras theorem, that is H square is equal to P square plus P square. That comes 15 the square plus 8 the square. That is 225 plus 64. That comes 98289, and it comes 17. So here H is equal to H equal 17. So H here, H is the 17. So when I write here 17K, because if you write K, yeah, okay, K square, and this is 17K. Okay, now sin A is equal to sin A P upon H. Sin A is equal to P upon H. Here P is the 15K and H upon P calculate here, that is 17K. So K na K cancel, it becomes 15 upon 7. Then secant A is the ult of cos A. So sin cos, this cos out H upon P. Here H is the 17K and B is the base, that is 8K. It becomes 17 by 8. So next is the fifth question here. Now we come to the fifth question. Yes. Here is the fifth question. In the fifth question, secant theta is the given, and we have to calculate all the trigonometric ratios. यानी 1 8 दिया हुआ है and 6 5 जो रहेगी कैलकुलेट करनी है. Secant theta is 13 by 12. That is given. We calculate the all other trigonometric ratios. Okay, first symbol write down 15 बद्री प्रसाद हर बोले. So secant theta is the opposite or root of cos theta, that is b upon h. तो हो गया h upon b. So here h is equal to 13k, or k is equal to 12k. First we are calculating the perpendicular. So by using Pythagoras Theorem, H square is equal to E square plus E square. Here H is the given 30k square. E square we have to calculate. What is the value of B? So So p square is equal to के so दूसरी साइड हम equal to के इधर उधर मूव करेंगे then sign will change plus become minus 169 k square minus 144 k square. It becomes 25 k square. So here we are 5k. ये कितना आ गया 5k. Use the 5. Now all other trigonometric ratios calculate करनी है हमें. Or simple you can also draw the diagram, but if we have the like this. This is the angle theta and this is the A, B, C. Okay, we have to find this is 13. This is the 12. Sorry, this is the 12 and perpendicular. अभी हमने calculate किया था 5. Sorry. P is the P is equal to P is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, now I think light is gone, so yeah. In next video we will solve other problems, and if you like this lecture, please like this video and subscribe the channel, and also if there is some problem you can also write down about that. So बाकी बोलने में चाहिए कोई problem है, so I will solve it. This is my first video, so please guys subscribe my channel. Thank you.